This is freaking weird. Search for a fan, get plumbing scams. Like, come on, what the? Oh, it's not going to show the ones that I blocked already. Here's one. I thought I blocked, quote unquote, Janice. It's not a real person. They're all made in 2025. Sounds like a fake name. Look, all 2025. They're all made in 2025. Look, who falls for this shit? It's obviously a scam. Unprofessional capitalization. What the hell is that crap all about? The run-on sentence right there. Tool, thermal valve, faucet pipe. Blah, 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 blah. John James. Yeah, that sounds fake. 2 first names. I'm licensed and insured. Yeah, right. Oh, there's an electrician scam, and there's ones you rarely see about security cameras. One was a plumbing scam, and it showed an electrician guy by an electric box with a thumbs up. Yeah, wrong photo. That was funny. Stupid bots.